Hi YouTube, you know me as N8Ball. Well, some of you I guess would, but today has a broken laptop screen. If I can get in the right light, maybe you can see the ink everywhere. There it is. That's my laptop screen. Well, it's not my laptop, it's my brother's. I've been online searching for a screen for this compaq presario F572US notebook PC. I never knew how to take the screen off. I looked online and everything just recently because I figured out that it still works and everything. It's just the screen's all fucked up, but my brother got a new one, so I've been planning on fixing this one and just using it like a Linux or something. No. I went online and I couldn't find one video showing how to remove this one. So I already did the first step by removing these little sticky thingies that are on the bottom of it too, that help it from not sliding. I just used a normal pocket knife with a little screwdriver on it. Okay, so there's 4 at the top. There's 2 in this little bendy part. And then there's 1 on each side down here that you sort of have to bend the notebook to get to. It won't damage it. Okay, so once you do that, comes the fun and the easy part. Take your notebook. I usually start from the top. Just pry it up. It'll pop up like this. It's a little tough sometimes. You just have to work with it. Just find the right spots, it pops right up. Then you get down to the bottom, and I couldn't figure out how to take this little bendy part, this part, out. Well, it's actually quite simple. Take your screwdriver, and you slash pocket knife sort of thing, and if you have a Phillips head or you have the knife part, pop it out, stick it down in there. Apply a little downward pressure to the screen so that you get it to bend a little farther up. Just work it up till it pops. Sure did not pop that time. There it goes. See, and then you got it like this. Then you do the same thing to the other side. Nope. That's why this one's gonna pop. There we go. Then you get this. Okay, on this side, just don't stick it down in the corner right there, because there's a wire. And on this side, there's another wire, so don't stick it down in the corners, just put it right dead in the middle. And you'll just be applying pressure to this as you pop it, so you'll be pushing it down like that. Okay, now, you get it out like this. Your screen isn't just going to come like some computers do. It's stuck in there. Now, what first you want to do is take your computer. Don't worry about these screws down in here. They did not need to come out. Okay, take your computer and you push it up a little, the screen, and there'll be a screw there and a screw way down there. But since I already did this, I moved my screw up 1 slot because I didn't need it. It's that little shiny thing right there that sort of looks out of place in the darkness. This computer only has 4 screws holding the LCD monitor in. Now don't lose these, because if you do, you're fucked. I haven't got a new screen for this computer yet, because I haven't decided what I'm doing with it yet. Now don't pull your computer out yet, once you get all 4 screws. And 4 screws right there. Okay. So, now you might have noticed this thing with some wires going to it, and one leads to this ribbon, one leads to the LCD. This is part of your computer that will get replaced. What you do is you take your finger and you push it out in 2 spots and pull it up. Simple, right? Yes, very simple. Then you take this, and without breaking the wires, because you need this still, pull this out, throw that thing aside. Now you can flip your computer. But be careful, because your ribbon is still connected. Now usually there's a yellow piece of tape right there holding your ribbon more flatter to it, but I removed that already. Then there's this clear tape. Pull the clear tape up, push these 2 black things together, and pull it up. Voila! Now you got your ribbon undone. Don't break that. Now take your LCD monitor and throw it somewhere, because it's garbage. You can't just...
Oh God, here we go again. Dark in there.
1 minute, that's my phone.
Oh God, here we go.
He'll call back some other time, he always does. Okay. Don't break them, don't throw them away. They have something in them that you can't throw away, or else you might get in trouble if you get caught throwing them away. Don't remember what it's called. Okay. So you got that pulled out of your computer. Now, oh, before you do any of that, take your battery out. As you can't see, mine is took out though. But don't be stupid and have your battery in. Okay, make sure you have all your screws safe. Which I don't. And on something you're not going to lose them. I keep mine on red. Okay, so we head over to my other computer and I ran into this website called laptopscreens.com. It looks like this. Go down and over to this. God. Okay. To this black thing right here. And type in your computer. Which one you want to replace the screen on. It'll pop up, you click on it. Here, I'll show you what it looks like when it pops up. It looks like this. Click on the first one that has your computer name, and this pops up. Now, they have a $109 one. They have a $119 one. The 119's a type Matty. I don't know what that is. Maybe this question mark will show me. Oop, something's happening. The glossy's shiny and Matty doesn't shine, so I guess whichever one you like better. I really don't care. I'm going with a glossy because they have a glossy down here, or a Matty. They have a glossy for $76 and a Matty for $79. Okay, so then to put it back together, put your computer, this back in, and then put this back in, then hook your ribbon in, and then just do the steps out in reverse. It's pretty simple. If you need any more help from there, just do the whole video over and reverse every step, and if you want, you can move the screw 1 slot up. It won't hurt it any. It has 4 slots for screws, but it only needs 2. Okay, and to show you that it works, I just got it plugged. Well, that's my computer. Okay.